Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to make rolled egg. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need 3 to 4 large eggs, a pinch of salt, and 1 teaspoon of sugar. For a truly authentic and soft texture, incorporate about 2 tablespoons of dashi stock or water if dashi isn't available. Make sure to whisk everything thoroughly, then strain the mixture through a fine mesh sieve. This step is crucial for achieving that perfectly smooth, uniform egg layer. Now, let's get cooking. Place a non-stick rectangular pan over medium-low heat. It's important to maintain a consistent, gentle heat. Lightly oil the pan using a paper towel, wiping away any excess to ensure a very thin, even coating. Once the pan is ready, pour in about 1/3 of your prepared egg mixture. Quickly tilt the pan to spread the egg evenly across the bottom, forming a thin layer. As the egg cooks, watch for the edges to set while the center remains slightly moist. This is the perfect time to start rolling. Using chopsticks or a spatula, gently roll the cooked egg layer towards one end of the pan. Once rolled, push it to the far side, leaving about 2/3 of the pan empty. Lightly re-oil the empty section of the pan before adding your next layer. For the next layer, lift the rolled egg slightly and pour another 1/3 of the egg mixture underneath it, ensuring it flows into the empty space. Cook until set, then roll the existing egg over the new layer. Repeat this process until all your egg mixture is used, creating a beautiful, multi-layered rolled egg. Slice it into 1-inch pieces and serve warm. Don't forget to check the description for a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.